Hello, my name is Braylon Evangelista, and I'm from the Advanced Technology Center here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. This video is meant to present our team's work on the reverse engineering project. This presentation will cover over our customers' feedback of the default product, the functional models we developed, the final proposed design, and how each step influenced the next to get our final design. As a part of Group 7, our task was to analyze and improve upon a competitor's product. Specifically, we were given a rechargeable pig flashlight, and the goal was to design a product that would outperform it in key areas. To develop an improved product, we combined two key sources of information. So we gathered tangible or quantifiable data, like measurements and how well it performed, from directly testing the product. Then we reflected on that in conjunction with unquantifiable data or customer feedback. This is basically their wants and needs that was gathered from the 15 interviews we conducted. Each member conducted 5 interviews each, making it a 15 total. After reviewing over the 15 interviews, we came up with our customers' top 10 needs and desires. So the product to be appealing to kids should be easily locatable, should be brighter, should be multifunctional or more practical, should be aesthetically pleasing, should be self-explanatory, should be comfortable and support all hand sizes and types, it should be a reasonable size, should be easy to recharge or replace the batteries, and it should be quieter. By addressing their wishes and their criticisms, we hopefully made a product that would exceed the limitations of the rechargeable pig flashlight. So for the modeling process, we were instructed to dismantle the pig flashlight very carefully and strategically as to not break or lose any of the pieces. This meant that we were able to document and draw each piece of the process and allow us to understand on how to improve on the components. So for the first part, we first created a predicted internal components. So we hadn't dismantled it, and we were able to kind of get an idea of what we thought was inside of the pig flashlight. And then after that, we dismantled it and drew out how it actually looked on the inside and how that kind of related to what we thought was inside the pig flashlight. And then we went even further and took all the individual pieces out and made a little parts list. After reflecting on the models and diagrams that we created, we gained a newfound understanding of how we could change it to more closely match our customers' feedback, and also allowed us to completely reimagine the composition inside so that we could maybe add a few new functions that would make it more marketable. So after generating a few final designs or concept designs, we decided to collectively work on the anglerfish flashlight design made by one of our teammates. This design aligned more closely with our customers' feedback than the original product or the rechargeable pig flashlight. It also enhanced the functionality and just has a lot more practicality to it. So basically adding on to that, our anglerfish is multifunctional. So not only does it function as a flashlight, but it can also be used by kids to play with. That would tie into one of our customers' most important desires, being appealing to kids. And how that would work is the side fins are hinged, so they can fidget with it and they can play with it. But the LED or the flashlight part is located in the ESCA or the lure of the anglerfish. Additionally, the battery compartment we made easier to access and replace for adults just by unscrewing the back fin and getting access to the AA batteries, so like a normal flashlight. Although the redesign doesn't include a rechargeable feature, that means that the noise emitted from the recharging process is completely eliminated, which was one of our customers' criticisms. In addition, some other features that we added was the LED ESCA or lure is able to retract or is retractable into the head. And then lastly, the LED has multiple modes, which is controlled by the little switch or power button at the bottom of the fish design. In conclusion, our team's redesigned product achieved its goal of possibly outperforming the competitor's product. So through the combination of extensive testing, customer feedback, in-depth understanding of the internal components and functions, and just analyzing the original product, we were able to make multiple improvements. These efforts led to the creation of the anglerfish flashlight, which better aligns with our target audience's desires compared to the pig flashlight design. By addressing our customers' needs and refining both the product's functionality and design, we developed a product that is more likely to satisfy our customers and succeed in the marketplace. So thank you for giving me your time and attention today, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day.